We could describe our comprehensive 4,200-hour curriculum. We could talk about the clinical reasoning and the manual skills that we teach. We could tell you about the flexible schedule that allows you to maintain employment while you study, or about our 2 campus locations in Hamilton and Calgary. We could discuss our direct entry pathway for applicants with anatomy training, or our preparatory pathway for those without it. We could describe your future as an osteopath, helping patients, owning your schedule, and earning well. But first, when it comes to the CAO, we've got to talk about its people, our students who support each other and make lifelong friendships, our faculty who bring the teaching to life with thoughtfulness and fun, our principal whose passion is contagious and whose drive is remarkable, our community that works hard with curiosity and smiles. Because here at the CAO, we stand together, developing our students, our school, and our profession, because we love osteopathy, and we wouldn't want it any other way.